Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can simply view your friends listening activity on Spotify. If you can't find it, it's on the red right not on the red on the right side of the app usually, but if it's not there, you're just going to select these three dots and you're going to select view. You're going to then select friend activity and you'll be able to see the songs that your friends have been listening to. But if you don't want to see it, you can simply press the close button again, or here you can add friends to view what they're listening to. But if they're on private listening, it won't show up. So I'm just going to press close, and then yeah, I just don't really like the friend activity, so I don't really use it. But if you want to view it, it's here. It's there. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.